Hello, beautiful people. Hello, foxes. Welcome to our Tea Time Thursdays. And yes, what else is possible? We honor and acknowledge all of you for being here today. And we hope you're all well and good and as excited as me or everybody here in our space to hear our very beautiful presenter for today. And again, thank you for choosing you by taking this call. Bago tayo mag-move forward, do we have permission to do a short grounding activity? You can just do a thumbs up sign if you're okay with this. A short grounding activity is for us to be in a space of openness and being centered and connected to the source and to lift this session up to the higher power using the reverse counting of Sunya. So thank you for your thumbs up. So just settle in your most comfortable position, whether that is sitting down on the floor or on a chair. And you can close your eyes and take that deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale as we surrender today all our thoughts, feelings, and emotions that are not working for us, all the anger, resentment, body pains, anxiety, fear. Just release it now. And inhale. Inhale the possibilities and the greatness of you. And exhale all the limitations that you impose yourself with. So take another deep cleansing breath. Inhale and exhale. 9. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale. And 0. So you may now open your eyes. And good morning. You just did a 9 to 0 Sunya meditation with us. And Sunya meditation is one of our super basic tool or basic self-mastery practice that we do here in the Fox Tribe. Once again, welcome to our Tea Time Thursdays, and I hope you have your favorite beverage beside you right now, whether that is coffee, tea, juice, or even just water, or even if you don't have any of that, it's all okay. So we just want to remind you of our Zoom etiquette and guidelines to keep the background noise to a minimum. Just mute your microphone and be aware or mindful of your background. And the raise hand function can also be used if you want to ask a question or simply type your question at the chat box. We also encourage everyone to participate fully in our sessions. So Tea Time Thursdays is one of our play space in the Fox Tribe, and it is to create a space for people to learn and have more possibilities in life. And we talk about anything under the sun here. We sometimes talk about gardening, arts, music, crafts, whatever it is that is fun for you, business, money, spirituality, meditation, everything. What's in it for us as the Fox Tribe? We have a leverage business with DXN International. And if you enjoy our community and culture, and you feel like it's light and fun for you to join us, we're also inviting you to join our tribe, where we don't just have fun, but we consciously earn a sustainable way while becoming conscious leaders, co-creating a new earth. What else is possible? Our presenter today is very, very special in our hearts. She's one of the co-creator of Fox Tribe and co-carrier of the Sisterhood of the Rose Philippines, the creator of Artsy Quartzy, and she's also a DXN international distributor, and of course, an international certified bars practitioner, and she's also a Reiki healer. Daghan kay ni siya ganang ano. And daghan because she's an awesome woman, you know, and she's one of our inspirations here in the Fox Tribe. And yes, she has brought so many contributions to our group and our team and our community and the people all around her. And we truly honor and acknowledge her. And we're so excited to have her here. Actually, she is the first speaker of the Tea Time Thursdays. Dito sa Zoom natin. She was the first speaker, I think that was around April or May. And now it's November, and we're so happy to hear from her again. Previously, she talked about the Fox way of gardening, something like that, something about the garden. It was about gardening. And today, it's something related to gardening because it involves our hands. And of course, si Zaina, siya na, yun na ako yung pangalan, no? Pero siya na ang mag-explain what it is for us. But I'm just here to introduce her in a very, very kanang warm welcome, to have a warm welcome. I know she's always welcome. but uh, but we would love to honor and acknowledge her today in this Tea Time Thursday magic in in our hands, to be presented by our very beloved Zai Chan. Welcome.
Yeah,
Zai. Yay.
clappers. Clappers. Yes, Papa, ang presenter, of course. Yeah, thank you so much for that wonderful unsay tawag ani basta ka to. So, yeah, ugna dito na Sai. Thank you so much. And I know I am beloved. So anyway, today is Thanksgiving Day in the US, I think. Am I right? So we have been talking about gratitude this week. And yes, Thanksgiving is for us, we do it every day. So for today, we are going to honor and acknowledge and yes, give thanks to our magical hands. So si Tina ang aking ang aking magandang taga slide ng aking mga scamberloo. Can I just turn off my camera?
Can I just play the music? Am I gonna play the music? Not yet.
Pwede din. Play na natin ngayon. Di ba? Karon pa may magsabot, guys.
I'm not gonna play. Sorry. I don't know.
So, yeah. Tina will just play a music for a while and then you just kanang enjoy. Mo na to. Charot. The album Crystal Kid? Crystal, ano? Basta something. Crystal Kid something something. Yeah, so are you ready? Are you ready to explore or to know more about the magic in our hands? Can I see a heart? Okay, mag-heart ko ako ah. I can't see a heart. So, yes. All right. There, I am your guapa presenter. That's me. I was pila ka months, 7 months pregnant with Maggie that in that picture, diba? So love kay ko sa mga butterflies at that time. So they kept on kanang kissing me and sige uban-uban sa ako. So yes, can I just turn off my camera para di ko mawala. Oh, there. So next, please. So yeah, there is actually a non-physical energy that gives life to all of us, to every living organism, and we carry in and around our bodies. We carry this energy in and around our bodies from the moment we were conceived. So nasa kanang wala pa ta sa earth na taani nga energy. So in Chinese, they call it qi. In Japanese, it's ki. And it is also called as prana by a number of Asian cultures, and Holy Spirit or Holy Ghost in the West. So this energy is pure and has omniscient wisdom. It is free. It is all around you. You can see it and you can perceive it and you can receive it anywhere. It is channeled through our hands. So yeah, meron ako mga na-collect dito ng mga mga quotes from like kay Buddha. He said, "Our sorrow and wounds are healed only when we touch them with compassion." And from my favorite doctor, next slide please. Asa na to akong favorite doctor? So there, this is from his interview when COVID started. So the human hand has so much humanity written on it, sabi ni Dr. Zach Bush. Because in this video, it's really, isend ko later ang link to that video, to that interview. It was only in the hands na nung pag-open niya ng hand, it has a lot of story and it's so poetic and you can just, yes, pag-dissect niya, it's really wonderful, it's really beautiful. Like every time our hands were touched by the people we love, diba? It means so much. Sometimes makahilak na lang taan ni ini magunita na tong kamot. Charot. So yes, so there. I will send the link dun sa video na yan later sa Get Happy Unicorn and EXM Fast Tribe. Next,
Dali lang akong mouse. Naunsa man akong mouse dali. Dili man muliho. What's that?
it's okay.
Mousey.
So yeah, and there. Now, how much magic can you create with your hands? So this time, I'd like to hear from you. What magic do you create with your hands? Who wants to speak up? Yes, si Nessa is coffee. Yes, because Nessa kanang she really brews one delicious coffee. Yes, and from Tina, bracelets and accessories and sa pa mga lain pang mga magic, she does that. She's really good at it. And yes, writing. So anyone? From Fanny, she loves cooking. Yes, kinsa man ni si she can caress. Si Ate Desai is gardening. Yes, but that mo istorya ha? Yeah, so si Tina, all the needed to be caressed. Yes, Fanny, driving. Yeah.
Ano pa ba?
Yes,
Sa hands ko. Charot lang.
Caress, diri. And si Darlene is receiving. Yes, thank you for that.
Receiving.
Yes, of course. And giving. So Ate Desai is dancing through the hands. How na siya magkuan? Kanang mga tricks of dancing na gamit ang hands. Yes, and who else? Yeah, so diba? Yes, Masa.
Sa healing.
Yes, a healing, of course. So, again, yes, bars, of course, lettering, ug uban pa. Yes, wonderful. So again, as I mentioned earlier, this energy, this let's just call it, because in one of my practices, it's called universal life force energy. So yes, this energy is always present to us. Now, did you know that you have already harnessed this energy, this wonderful, this pure energy? You have already harnessed this, and you have, yes, you have already been using it since you were young. So next slide, please. Because as I've said earlier, as I have mentioned, we channel this energy through our hands. Now look at the first picture. You can zoom in. Di ba pwede may zoom in, no? Ayun. So yes, the first picture is a child and a woman. So let us just assume that the woman is the mother, although she looks like she's a doctor, but yeah, she's a mother na lang God. So yeah. So, di ba, when we were young, kapag madapa tayo, may taga Manels ba? May kailangan ba natin magtagalog? Oh, there's Angie. Hello, Angie from Cavite. So yes, every time na madapa tayo before, we automatically place our hand onto our wound or kanang sa knee. Let's say sa knee, diretso natin nilalagay agad ang kamay natin to cover our wound. Am I right? Yes, do you agree? Yeah. So yeah. Yes, katong naay mga childhood ha, charot lang. Bitaw, if you if you experience that, every time that every time na madapa tayo, yeah, tinapan niya sa mic. Jesus. Yes. Okay, so every time na madapa tayo, like, every time na nadadapa tayo natin, automatically we cover it with our hands. And without even knowing that we are already channeling this wonderful energy, this pure energy into our hands, and then automatic na hinihil na natin diretso ang ating sugat or yung where it hurts. So there, you yes, you just do it because you already know how to do it. And you really know. So this mother naman is also giving that same energy that she has to the child who is willing to receive her touch. 'Di ba? So yes, kuha din ng malunggay. Yeah, so yeah, but let's just focus on our hands first. Available talaga lahat. Yeah, so yeah, this mother is actually giving that or gifting that same energy to the child who is willing to receive that same energy. But so there is this exchange now, or there is this gifting man that's happening. So our body is actually willing, very willing to receive the same kind of energy, because again, we all have that within us. We all have that pure energy within us, and it's meant for healing. Okay, so next photo, the second photo is hand over the plant. So I do this. Who else does this? Yes, hello, Ate Jen. Yeah, I do this. Yes, we all do, I think. Um, I have this I have this rose plant that I just planted. Yeah, I have this manggod kaning point of view that mahirap talaga itanim or buhayin ang rose, especially if wala pa siyang roots. So it's very challenging to it's the challenging part of this one is the rooting part. How are you gonna make it alive? Like, diba? sometimes kasi, what happens with me sa rose is, when I place it sa water for rooting, yes, my roots, and then when I transfer it, when I transplant it to the soil, namamatay siya. So that's the part, that's where I got my point of view from. And then just recently, I cut my roses. I cut my rose because Tina told me na mas maging bushy, mas lushful siya if you keep on cutting it. So I tried it, and then I planted the stem. And what happened is that every day I get to visit it, and I get to, yes, to lay over my hand onto the plant, onto the rose plant, onto the stem. And of course, because one of the tools that I have learned is asking questions, so I always ask questions while laying my hands over it. So, you just trust your inner knowing. You just know. So now it has, I think, kanang, there are so many, nana siya yung mga 5 dahon or more. It's really wonderful because it's alive, it's green, and it's alive. Yes, so I will read it. I don't have space here. I pray over the names of our prospect new year. Yes, thank you for that, Tita. Yes, so there you go. Now you can have that. You can pass, or you can gift your that wonderful energy to the plants as well. And yeah, you can try that also. If you, sa ating mga plantitos and plantitas here, you can do that to your plants. And next photo is, yeah, what else is possible? And yes, ang next photo is kanang nagplant siya. So this one, because I really love to kaning touch the ground. I really love planting. So it's my way of connecting to Mother Earth. So yeah, you by just touching the ground any time of the day, like anytime, whenever it's fun for you, but by just touching it, you are again make you are actually kind of, you're caressing Mother Earth with that gentle hands of yours, without using any metals or without the intention of hurting the earth. Although the earth does not have a point of view about hurt or whatever, but it's just the connection. Like, what can you contribute? What magic can you create with your hands? Diba? And what can you contribute to the earth with your bare hands? So, what about planting? We have a lot of, ang problem natin, we've been fighting, quote unquote, for planet Earth, but have we planted a tree? Have we planted a tree yet? Just one tree? Have you tried connecting to the earth? Have you tried touching the ground? Diba? So that is also one of the most powerful contribution that you can actually contribute to the earth. Okay, so tahimik lagi kayo ay. Pwede ko kayo mag-talk, ha? So, so, and the fourth photo is laying your hands over your body or touching your body. We like this. Okay, so yes, yes, and here, if you have you noticed that every time you feel something, like if there's like masakit ang tiyan, masakit ang puso, masakit ang whatever, masakit ang head, we automatically place our hand on that sore part, masakit na part sa iyong body. And I just read, kasi hinanap ko yung post na yon sa Instagram, but I couldn't find it. So I'll just relay, ang body natin, when we fall asleep, we place our hand where healing by the hands is needed. Like, for example, kanang murag na ay something sa imuhang tummy, when you are asleep, you just place your hands there sa tummy. Kapag masakit ang iyong heart, you just place your hands there. And it also gives you comfort, diba? You also feel protected when you do so. So yeah, and when you feel at ease with it, then maybe, just maybe, the healing starts there. Diba? So yes, and also there's this tool that we use in Access Consciousness. It's I think it's we can include it here. We just it's called the um restoration of communion with earth, where you place both hands, yes, both hands sa soles ng iyong feet. And then you just ask it to run. You just say restoration of communion with earth, run. You just run it. And for me, because I cannot speak for other people, no, sa aking experience is eventually you will feel na mainit ang kamay mo during the process while running restoration of communion with earth. Do you feel the same also? Do you have that? Do you perceive that? Yes, there is heat. That is, yeah, pitik also. So what if it's really working, diba? So it's not just your body, or it's not just you who perceives it. It's not just you who receives it, but it's you are also contributing to the earth, because we are part of the earth. We are connected to the earth. So how much fun can we have if we keep on running restoration of communion with earth? And yeah, it's your wonderful energy that's also contributing to the earth and to your body as well. Yes, ibutang lang mo ang hands, both palms, against sa iyong sa soles ng feet. Kinsa man maka-example ani. So ano siya?
Wewe siguro, asam sila wewe.
So we will just send the instruction siguro si GC later. We can do that later. So, yes. Okay, magbalintong ta diri jay. Lain kaayo. Okay. So, there any question before we move forward, or any share? Gani, me too.
Hindi na ako
So,
mapapakang feet. Sorry.
Yeah, ako din. So, later na lang, love, Neza. So, any questions, suggestions, recommendations? No violent reactions, sure. So, wala na? Is it clear?
Anybody who would like to share or just affirmation about what Zai just shared to us, the beautiful thing that we can do with our hands and the magic that it creates and the healing that exudes from it. So
yes, I like this I like this. Sorry, nagbasa ko kay Miss Merly, Moraga plant pod taog seed sa DXN business. Yes, of course. And yes, first experience to lay hands was elementary as a prayer warrior at church. How do you do that?
what I do is, I will go to, ang ginahimo na mo is we do outreach and we go to hospitals and we lay our hands over their heads and we pray.
Oh, really?
Yes, and then we check a week after if the kids were discharged and all of that. Yan.
Oh, wonderful. So
Yeah.
yan yung sa mga faith healer din, di ba ganyan din mga
Yan yung sa church before. It's what we do. That's why when I was introduced to like bars and other healing, I know it has also, diba, same na ano.
Yes, so nice, very nice. Elementary pa lang, no? Wonderful.
Yes,
What
kay
else?
ko because I don't sing and I cannot dance. So akong contribution sa church, ito na ko sa prayer warrior.
Yes.
Ano na ko da, kanang mag-testimony lang ko pagka Sunday, ana ko contribution.
Diba? What a wonderful contribution. Kay it's not just for the church but also for the kids, diba? For those na naka-receive sa imuhang kato gift. Yes. And yeah, so next, thank you for that, Jane here. Next page, please. Yes, so again, what magic? So because I am really in love with this tool that we've been practicing now for more than a year. It's yes, access bars. So yeah, it's this one is ang access bars kasi according to Gary, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-gift distantly. You cannot do it remotely because the body always loves to be touched, diba? So access bars are about beginning the process of receiving, including receiving in your body. The touch of the body is required for this to occur. Inclusion of the body in the process of consciousness is another key contribution of access consciousness. So there. Again, like what I've said sa first picture, you see mother and child, or the child and a woman. So our body is always ready to receive. That's why we always ask, how much are you willing to receive? Because it could be that we always doubt we doubt what's in other person's hands. We doubt this energy that we have inside. So by sharing it, by gifting it, how much fun and how much magic can you create out of it? What are the infinite possibilities? So a touch also empowers. Do you agree? Because sometimes all we need to do is to be all we need or what our body requires. Let's just use require. What our body requires is just a touch. Although you can do it to yourself, but it's also fun to be touched by other people. Yes, Tats by BTS. Yes, so yeah, it's also wonderful. Like there are a lot of tools in Access that you can run on yourself, but they also tell you to have someone lay their hands over you and blah 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 blah. And yes, same thing with although Reiki can do distant healing, but as someone who practices it, I also love to do it on bodies talaga, because it's just a wonderful gift that you can access anywhere, anytime, because it's already within you. And yeah, so let's not talk about access or mga energy healing modalities, but do you remember the times those times that you you wanted to cry your heart out? Sometimes you kanang pigil what you feel inside, but when somebody touches you, when somebody pats your back, you just couldn't stop yourself from crying. Maghagulgol na gid ka. Yes, because that's the way it is. That's actually our body receiving something that we've been refusing, and but the body loves it, and then you release it. And what's wrong about releasing what you feel? Diba? Yes, true. It's really wonderful. Maybe we never really yes, we never really liked that before. Ako personally, I didn't like someone touching my back when I'm going through something. but the magic of release is just so wonderful. So again, how much are you willing to receive? So, yeah, thank you sa mga nagabuhat ako sa kuha before. Kasi ayoko talaga na ginahawakan ang back ko. Yes, so there. And sa massage as well, lamig pod magpa-massage. With kanang ibang tao ang mag-massage sa iyo. The gift of that, it's just so wonderful. So, yes, any experiences sa mga bars and other healing modalities? Any share?
Anybody? Just unmute yourself. It's okay. I will call you. Okay, there's Han.
Yes, lahi ra jud ang touch. True. So, yeah. So, let's move on na lang. Mag-move on na lang tayo. Yeah, so there, that's the lyrics of the song that we played earlier, Healing Hands. So, healing hands, they glow and glow and glow. So yeah, bump your head, scrape your knee, or if you stub your toe, hold it with your healing hands. They glow and glow and glow. So there, that's the story of how wonderful our hands are. You can see that, and you can, if you can only remember how you did that when you were young, you'll be amazed. You will be really, really, really amazed. So, screenshot na lang po ng lyrics. So, yes, next. Yeah, so si Ate Sheba, I feel that my power get on touch where I can't seem to put on. I feel blocked. As si Jabez de Aini. So yeah, kulang ka pa sa touch, more touch pa. So yeah, again, how much are you willing to receive and what are your points of view about touch? Because I was like that too. And as a Scorpio, I think more, yeah, Scorpions don't like to be touched. But what else is possible, diba? Would an infinite being truly choose that? Yes, so yeah, let's go to the next page. Yes, true. So, di ba? Okay, let's talk about it. Di ba nagandang points of view about touch? Like, sometimes we don't want to touch other people. Like, let's say our client, especially if the client is lalaki, kanang murag na din tayo POV nga kanang dili lang ko kay whatever chu 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 chu. So yeah, but it's just wonderful that now we really yes, we grew from that because nana di ay kung kana ilahang na receive, 'di ba? You don't really need to kind of sa bars naman yun. It's just wonderful. Basta yeah, sa mga hindi pa naka-bars class, we have a bars class coming. Yeah, so yeah, but it's wonderful, 'di ba, Shen, you were okay ka na with with touch,
Yes,
gift, sing.
okay na now. Sa una lang to, yung mga first few. But then, there will come a time na busy gid mong tanan. So, murag, oh my God, ako good ang natunan. Of course, you cannot turn away a client. And anyways, just a point of view. And it's basically you're contributing to the person without malice. And it's just, yung mga POV lang yun na siya at the end of the day.
Yes. But diba, it doesn't really need to be true for you for a long, long, long time. And it's just wonderful now. We just outcreate it, no?
Yes, outcreate the POVs.
Yes. Kasi the same thing with me. Mahadlo ko before. Kasi we had, we had, or I used to work sa spa, and then kanang mahadlok ko o kaning, although dili ako ang naga-massage, but ngit-ngit ba ya ang kanang massage room, kanang mga ana-ana gani. So, there's this POV nga, whenever you touch a man, kanang murag, oh my God, makabuhi gyud tag patay, guys, kanang mga touch. So, yeah. And yeah, so there you go. Sa inyo na ka-powerful ang ato ang hands. And yes, wash your hands daw sabi ng ng WHO, of course. So next page, please. Ay, meron pa pala from Jabez. Kanang pag-seek manggod akong dogs before I touch your body. Tapos murag naabot ang time na work, it doesn't work anymore. Oh, January. It doesn't work anymore. The touch doesn't work anymore. Do you have a clearing for that?
What's a clearing for that? What if it just changed its energy? I mean, the way you perceive it before probably change it now. Or yeah, what do you know? What do you know? Everything
No, yeah.
or I know everything that doesn't allow you to everything that doesn't allow you to perceive the healing capacities of your hands and everything that brings up.
So yeah, speaking of pets, my darling Sky, our darling Sky is actually our darling Sky's body is experiencing something earthly nga mga symptoms or whatever. So yeah, we just do MTVSS sa kanya kasi they have no bars. The dogs don't have bars. So yes, it's just wonderful because the dog is actually kanang, ang capacity nila to receive is just wonderful. So yeah, what else is possible? How does it get any better than this? So yes, thank you for that, Chavez. And next, yes, you take back your power. Next is, how grateful are you to have the gift of magic in your hands? So now, because natatama lang din siya na topic because it's Thanksgiving, and sometimes we don't really give thanks to the small things that we have in our life. Like, what about your hands? Because one of the most important things, or like kanang one of the most important part of our body, things, important part of our bodies is our hands, are our hands. And have you ever tried thanking your hands for for everything that it contributes to you? So now I want you to look at your hands and tell me, what are the things you're grateful for about having them? For me, I am grateful for, for having the chance to gift whatever I can with my hands. And I can do crafts, I can gift or run bars, I can gift Reiki, everything. I can cook, I can caress my children, I can give massage. So yeah, those are the things. There's a lot of things to be grateful about for having these wonderful hands of mine. So what about you? Yes, I am grateful I have complete 10 fingers with 2 hands. Yes, wonderful. It's very poetic. Miss Burley, thank you so much. Yes.
I'm grateful for my hands because yun, I can also write, I can type, and I can contribute using my hands. Yeah. And of course, you can gift even with just your hands alone lang. Na wala siyang tool required or anything. So,
Yes. Diba, very little things. Kanang, yeah, I can pick flowers. They're aesthetically pleasing. Yes, skincare using my hands, of course. My passion is skincare. So yeah, there's a lot. This afternoon, I did this afternoon. Kaning when I had lunch, I used my bare hands to eat lechon kawali. So yeah, what else is possible? So there are a lot of things to be grateful about with having your hands. So yes, lamig jud magkinamot. All right. So do not forget to give thanks to your hands. You know, they're really magical. And yeah, it's just there. Tanan-tanan is there. And yes, so kanang ma-emote ko ani. So next page please. Yes, giving thanks to God with raising our hands. Yeah, yeah, true. So there, I'll just use this clearing from access consciousness because may isa ni siya sa akong mga favorites. So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be? To be the energy, space, and consciousness you truly be with ease for eternity. So, yes. Asa na to, Kongpod and Poker. So, again,
Everything.
what energy, space,
Nako
and
dali na.
your body, energy, space, and consciousness you truly be with ease for eternity.
Everything that is can be now destroyed and uncreate them. All these
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, corner pop, all nine, charts, boys, and beyonds.
Yes. So yeah, you can photo that, screenshot that, or balik. It's just wonderful. I got that from Dr. Dade and Monica and Susie Godsee's Lives, Earth Wizards. It's just wonderful. It kind of nag-play siya sa ko ang mind. So yes, next page please. Thank you so much for your contribution, Chenure and everyone. Yeah, so another day, another adventure. That's me. Photo by Jay Delino. And that's an official Flux Tribe logo. And next page. Yes, so until our next Tea Time Thursday talk, what else is possible beyond this? If you don't have any questions, magbabay na ko. And yes, thank you so much. Nasaan akong crown? So yeah, thank you so much for being with us today and for exploring the magic in our hands. I have small fingers, but these hands are just wonderful. Hello, Ate Beth. Thank you also for being here. Your presence is just so awesome. We love receiving your presence and your energy. So we have a question from Angie. What if I'm still grieving a cat who passed away 5 years ago?